Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you my Pandora's box for the month of August. Yay! I am really stoked to see what we got going on in this bag for this month. So if you're ready, and I'm ready, so let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Leah Garrett, and I'm a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I am a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below that you can check out. So it's time for the unboxings of the month. Woo! And the first up we have is Pandora's box. Okay, if you are new to my channel or you don't know what Pandora's box is a monthly subscription service that focuses mainly on indie brands. You get about 7 to 10 items a month, depending on the month and the vendors and whatnot. It's not a reoccurring subscription service. It is a pay each month as you want subscription service. That's really good. Maybe in the future they might go to a reoccurring charge, but as of right now you just pay for the months that you want. The overall theme of the brand is empowering women through history, and each month they have a sub theme. This month, for the month of sub theme, is women in education. This really does hit home for me because my sister is an educator. She used to be a 6th grade math teacher, but now she is actually a dean at the middle school that she used to teach math in. So yeah, this means a lot to me for the month of August. Yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. But before we get into August box, I do want to let you guys know that pre-orders for my box with Pandora's box that will be for the month of September is still going on. And yeah, they're until the 15th. Make sure you get yours while you can. If the box sells out, I am going to give one away. And I'm also going to give away one of these. This is the Rich Luxe and Gerard Cosmetics Busted the House Ice Cream Shack that I reviewed on Friday's video. So should my box sell out, I will be giving a Pandora's box away, and I will be giving away the Gerard Cosmetics and Rich Luxe Slay All Day Setting Spray collaboration. So yeah, get those boxes sold out. I will have a link down in the description bar below on how you can enter into the giveaway and where you can purchase the Pandora's box. So on with the unboxing. Let's go ahead and get into this box. All right. Okay. All right, the first, I did went ahead and open it up because there was some issues with an item. And the first item comes from Fairy Tale Bubbles. Now, you're probably looking at it like, Melissa, why is it in a plastic bag? Reason why it isn't in a plastic zip-up bag is because there was a little issue with one of the products melting in the heat. And it is this one right here. It is a balm called Deadly Nightshade. It is made with, it's essential oil blend and lavender petals. So this was basically an oil when I got it. And then next to it, I have a bag of bath salt in Dark Kiss. It's still a little oily because the stuff in the bag hasn't really solidified, but yeah, I wish that the balm was in better packaging than what it is in, but it happened. I do have my information down here on my tablet. I will read it, the best I can. Y'all know I have trouble reading sometimes. And it says right here, Fairy Tale Bubbles, we have a double item for you. Bath salts and a headache balm. Interesting. I was wondering if we could find a pair of sisters working in education, and what do you know? I stumbled across an article about two sisters that work together as educators. Gail Boucher and Joan Moser are known all over the world as the two sisters. Real life sisters and educators, the women have more than 60 years of experience combined in K through 6 and special education, as well as reading resource specialist and a literacy coach. As a professional development training duo, they collaborated to find a replicable, reliable way to teach children how to be independent, lifelong learners. That is really, really cool. The Dark Kisses bath salt is a light rose with notes of amber and chocolate. And the headache balm includes lavender petals, as I said before, to help aid with sleep as well as headaches. I am really going to have to try that because I have been, with my new treatment that I have been doing, I am more prone to headaches. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. I can't wait to try those out. This is what we have in the bag. Now, as I stated in last month's video, should you get a bag like this that is Halloween themed, make sure that you email, direct message, whatever, the team at Pandora's Box so you can get a special $5 to $10 off coupon that you can use either on September's bag or October's bag. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what else we got for the rest of this month. We got like a piece of jewelry. That is neat. So this is from Hue Got The Look, and it is a surprise item for the month, a hand piece of jewelry. Oh, that is a pretty, pretty necklace. That is super pretty. Please pardon the bug bite on my finger. That is super pretty. Now, this is in the perspective of Amy, who owns Pandora's Box. So I just want to let you guys know, if I say I or something else that might be a little out of the ordinary, y'all don't think it's about me, but it's in the perspective of Amy, who owns Pandora's Box. Pearls of Wisdom is in honor of Luann Johnson. I was inspired by the movie Dangerous Minds a long time ago. A little known personal piece about me is that my husband and I have taken in or worked with several hard-to-handle teenagers over the years. Each one of them would watch that movie with us, and we would often discuss the power of choice, a running theme from Luann Johnson that she used to reach her students. However, Luann Johnson was more than just a character in a movie who was portrayed by Michelle Pfeiffer. Luann Johnson is an American writer, teacher, and former U.S. Navy journalist. She spent 7 years as a radio TV broadcaster and 1 year as a Marine Corps officer. After graduating as honor woman in her Marine Corps OCS class, she was the first woman inducted into the Defense Information School Hall of Fame. She is best known for her book, My Posse Don't Do Homework, which was adapted as the film Dangerous Minds. Luann Johnson proved that every child, I cannot talk. Every child could be taught. You just have to relate to them and get their attention. That is nice. I am like that. I'm really stoked that we got a piece of jewelry. I like that. That's nice. I think this is like the second time, maybe third time, we've gotten a piece of jewelry in the box. We have looks like a liquid eyeliner from Notoriously Morbid. It is called Literary Lines, and in the shade Erin Gruwell. Ooh, let's see what shade this is. Ooh, it's a brown. That is nice. It is a felt tip. I'm not a big fan of the felt tip. I like a brush tip more with my liquid liners. But that is a really pretty brown. That's going to replace my dominatrix that I use from Jeffree Star. From Notoriously Morbid, we have a full size, it's Litany. I can't read. We have a full size Litany liner in gorgeous chocolate brown shade to honor Erin Gruwell. After her year of student teaching, Gruwell returned to Wilson High School as a full teacher, this time with a class of sophomores. Her fall semester got off to a rocky start, but Gruwell preserved and reached her students by asking them to keep journals and make movies of their lives, and by relating to the family feud in Romeo and Juliet to a gang war. Okay, let's see what we got next. Ooh, we got something from Psyche Minerals. Okay, I think this is a lipstick. And it's in the shade Felicia. Or Or it might be a gloss. It says on here from Psyche Minerals, a deluxe size lip gloss in honor of Felicia Davis. Felicia has just been named president and CEO of the Chicago Foundation for Women. A lifelong Chicagoan and Southside resident, Davis brings to the foundation a strong commitment to public service and community engagement. Throughout her career as a law enforcement professional, academic administrator, and civic leader, Davis has worked to increase access to opportunity and build safe, thriving communities for all Chicago residents. Her mom dropped out of high school when she was pregnant with her, but when Davis and her 3 siblings were a little older, her mom went back to school to earn her high school diploma and bachelor's degree. Davis and her siblings often went with her to her classes. All right, looks like we have a pressed eyeshadow from Color Cosmetics in the shade Juliet. It says it's an earthy green shimmer. That's pretty. Ooh, that's real pretty. From Color Cosmetics, a full-size pressed shadow in honor of Juliet Gordon-Low. Juliet was the creator of the Girl Scouts. Education is not just for the classroom, and Juliet came up with an amazing and empowering program for young girls as they grow into adults. The Girl Scouts were originally named Girl Guides and began in Savannah, Georgia. Being a part of the Girl Scouts for many, many years, Amy, the owner, had some of the best experiences of my life. My first group of friends were in a troop with me, and we are still connected today more than 30 years later. We learned more than just survival skills. We learned the importance of compassion and doing for others without the expectation of returned favors. That's awesome. My niece Reese is actually a Girl Scout. Well, she was. They didn't offer Girl Scouts to her this year in her school, but I think if they do offer it again, she'll go for it again. All right, next up, woohoo! We got something from Wake the Dead Scrubs, and it is Selena Fox. Looks like I hope it's not rose petals, but it looks like they might be. Yep, it's rose. Okay, so the reason that we have an item from Wake the Dead Scrubs is that there was a shipping dilemma with another brand. I won't say what brand it is because that situation has been taken care of and it's done and whatnot. Now that I have cleared up on why we have an item from Wake the Dead Scrubs, let's go ahead and see what it says. It says this is in honor of Selena Fox. Selena is a pagan leader, author, and lecturer. Selena Fox is a trained counselor and psychotherapist with a B.S. cum laude in psychology from the College of William and Mary in 1971. Woohoo, Virginia! And an M.S. in counseling from the University of Wisconsin-Madison in 1995. She has been a member of the American Psychological Association, American Counseling Association, Association for Transpersonal Psychology, and American Academy of Religion. Fox has been active in environmental preservation endeavors since helping to organize the first Earth Day on April 22nd, 1970, and speaks about eco-spirituality. She has spent decades teaching and counseling others in efforts to spread awareness and environmental concerns of all kinds. Next item! I got 2 left. Ooh, this is from Fair Beauty, and it is a loose pigment in the shade Maria Montessori. Ooh, this is really pretty. It's like a minty green with gold reflex in it. Super pretty. From Fair Beauty Cosmetics, a deluxe size multi-use shimmer. This multi-use shimmer can be used as a highlighter, an eyeshadow, lip topper, or even a body shimmer. Lightly dusted though. You don't want to have like mint green going on your body. Yeah. This item is in honor of Maria Montessori. Maria was an Italian physician and educator best known for the philosophy of education that bears her name. Maria made many advances focusing on the education of children with disabilities as well as special instruction for teachers that were involved with educating children with disabilities. By 1912, Montessori schools had opened up in Paris and many other Western European cities and were planned for Argentina, Australia, China, India, Japan, Korea, Mexico, Switzerland, Syria, the United States, and New Zealand. Public programs in London, Johannesburg, Rome, and Stockholm had adopted the method in their school systems. Last item we have, ooh, it is from BFTE Cosmetics, and it is in the shade Women in Medicine. Wonder if this is a blush or an eyeshadow. Might be either or. Ooh, whatever it is super pretty. It's super soft too. You should use it as both. I said the shade name wrong. It's not Women in Medicine. It is actually Dr. Marijuana Pepsi. From Beauty from the Earth Cosmetics, a sample shadow to honor Dr. Marijuana Pepsi. I came across an article recently that was honoring her achievements in education. Yes, Marijuana Pepsi is her given birth name. She uses her unique name to break the ice with students in her classes. She earned a PhD from Cardinal Stritch University with a dissertation on uncommon Black names in the classroom. She directs a program for first-generation students, students with disabilities, and students from low-income families at Belvoir College. She also owns a performance coaching business and formerly worked as a teacher. Okay, let's go ahead and run down these prices real quick. The eyeshadow from Beauty from the Earth Cosmetics. This is a sample size. It does retail for $2.05. The full size retails for $6.60, and this is what the full size is. The pressed eyeshadow from Color Cosmetics retails for $6. The Fair Beauty shadow retails for $8 for the full size. This is a deluxe size sample. Okay, from Fairy Tale Bubbles, the headache balm is $5 to $6 depending on what type you choose, and the bath salts are $3. Okay, for this style necklace from Hue Got The Look, this style right here with the 3 pearls and the black corded necklace, retails for $13. The eyeliner from Notoriously Morbid retails for $9. The lip gloss from Psyche Minerals retails for $6 to $12 depending on what size you choose. This one is the deluxe size lip gloss, so this one is probably the $6 one. And the soap from Wake the Dead Scrubs is $2 when it's available. Okay, so with this box being $25 plus shipping, you do have to pay extra for shipping. I think it's like $5, so it comes out to $30. I got 9 items, so that's a really good deal for 9 items. Don't forget that my box for the month of September is still on pre-order right now until the 15th, or until the boxes sell out. They do start shipping out between the 1st and 5th of September. Please keep in mind that Labor Day is coming up, so that may delay when the box gets shipped. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget to pick up my glitter palette with Texas House of Glitters. We all know she is super party because she looks like this. Don't forget that this palette is currently on sale for 50% off. So if you want to get on the glitter goodness that is Hubster, Mama, Sassy Pants, and Bat Squad, you might want to pick this bad boy up during the sale. My discount code does not work at all whatsoever during this sale. And as always, you can follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/MelissaLeahGarrett, on Snapchat as MelissaLeah1223, and on Instagram as MelissaLeahGarrett. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account. So if you see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, if that subscribe button is red, it's the wrong color. You need to change it. And don't forget to share this channel to everyone as well. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though we mainly know I post on Tuesdays and Fridays. I love you all so much, and I will see you on Friday. Bye. My allergies decided they wanted to kick in as I was doing my outro. That's not cool. I think we're ready now. Time to edit. Yeah.